You're going to be blown away by the final result, but I won't reveal it just yet. This is called drawing gum. It's a liquid latex. Anywhere you put drawing gum, paint will not adhere. Start by applying the drawing gum anywhere you don't want the paint to go. You can use your drawing gum to do whatever painting that you like. In this case, I'm doing some trees, and I'm also going to do a few ghosts. Make sure you apply enough drawing gum that it appears blue. If you put it too thin, it's going to be really difficult to peel off afterwards. I'm using a heat gun to accelerate the drying time. This step is completely optional. You could use a hairdryer as well, or you could wait it out. For this video, I'm using acrylic inks, but you could also use acrylics or watercolor. Start by applying a base coat of water to your painting. Then add your paint. As you can see, it's really going to spread, but that's what gives it that really creepy watercolor effect. To add dimension to my painting, I'm also adding a few details with undiluted ink and a drop of ink for that glowing moon. Dry one last time, and now the fun part is about to begin. You're going to use your finger to gently rub off the latex. Go all around and make sure that you get every little single piece of latex off. And there you have it. Everywhere you didn't have the latex stays white, and it gives it that really cool effect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and even share.